Are you tired of your artwork lacking depth and dimension? Do you want to know the secrets to creating stunning 3D artworks every time? In this Viviva art tutorial, I will reveal the exact technique I use to add depth, realism, and dimension to my artwork. I'll let you in on my creative process and reveal how I master lighting and shading to give you insights that will transform your paintings. I will walk you through all the steps, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of the process. Whether it's a simple piece or a complex one, a still life composition or a lifelike portrait, I'm confident that this technique will help make your painting process easier and better and support you on your way to mastering watercolor painting. In this Halloween painting tutorial, I'll be using my Viviva sketchbook and color sheets to create a jack-o'-lantern painting and a Halloween watercolor portrait. You can get your own set of Viviva art supplies at a 10% discount by using my affiliate link or code. If you use my affiliate link, I'll get paid a commission at no extra cost to you. The most important thing you have to do to create a sense of volume and three-dimensionality in your artwork is to shade your subjects carefully. To do that, you need to make sure you're using a range of different values so your subjects can pop off the paper. That means that for every color you use, you want to make sure you're using several different shades of that color, from highlight to midtone to shadow. You can use as few as 2 different shades to get satisfying results. However, the more shades you use, the better the result. For A5 or 5x7 inch works, like the 2 in this tutorial, I like to use between 3 and 6 different shades per color. The painting of a Halloween portrait only has 2 or 3 different shades of each color. For painting jack-o'-lantern, I use 6 different shades of orange to give the subject volume. It is important to decide how many different shades you want to use in advance before you start painting, so you have a clear idea of what you'll be doing. You can do that by studying your reference photo closely and determining how many distinct shades there are or how many shades you need to make your artwork look realistic. You can then create a quick sketch to map all the shades you want to use. This shading guideline will let you know which shade will go where in your painting. Another way in which you can simplify your reference photo and determine the basic shades in it is to use photo editing software to posterize the photo. This is how I simplified the reference photo for painting a Halloween portrait. I broke down the reference photo for my jack-o'-lantern watercolor painting into 6 different shades of orange. My Halloween portrait painting consists of 2 shades for the flowers, 2 for the hair, 3 for the black face paint, 2 for the lipstick, and 3 for the skin. With the artwork fully planned out, you can start painting. Get your sketch ready, place your reference photo and your shading guideline close by so you can consult them as needed, and grab your paints. All you have to do now is add the shades to your painting the way you map them out in your shading guideline. By incorporating these tips and techniques into your paintings, you'll be on your way to mastering watercolor art and creating stunning 3D artworks easily and quickly. Where transitions between different shades need to be soft and gradual, you can avoid harsh transitions by blending the shades into one another with a damp brush. If you have any questions about this technique, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. If you try out this technique yourself or if you recreate any of my artworks, let me know on YouTube or Instagram. I would love to read your thoughts and see your creations. If you're interested in watching the full watercolor painting demonstration, you can find the jack-o'-lantern painting demonstration and the Halloween portrait watercolor demonstration on my YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to grab a 10% discount on Viviva products by using my affiliate link or code.